Good morning. It's 6 a.m. in the morning in Australia, and come with me to go on a nice run. Coffee time. It's already 25 degrees or something. Okay, off we go. I hate going uphill. Okay, we're 1k in. Oh my god, dying. It's a Hell's Gate, which I feel like I'm in hell. The sun's like so hot now. Okay, terrain's getting a little bit interesting. Halfway there! Woo! Actually, a little bit lost. Just reached 5k. Woo! It's just getting hotter and hotter. Picked up the pace because actually I'm genuinely terrified trying to maintain this pace. 7k, guys. My phone is about to die. Better run quicker. I made the 10k around that loop and lost on the beach. Nice matcha to finish off the morning's exercise.